Hi, my name is Joseph Orlbach. I had the technical support for Rapid Recess, and today I want to talk to you about a kit that we specifically designed for linear drains that will be installed at the entry to curbless showers. What we have here are two models. One here, one here. This is with our rapid recess brackets, and this one is how people usually do it right now with linear drains at the entry, where they just cut out a slot in the plywood and install the linear drains with flanges sitting directly on the top of the plywood. This installation is not correct because we took a structural plywood and we cut it out, and suddenly we weakened it and a lot of deflection on this plywood right here. So that's not good. This installation is going to fail every time. I promise, I'm talking from experience. On the other hand, we have this kit right here where we did a cutout also, but we did a cutout from a floor joist to a floor joist. Now we installed our Z-brackets all the way around the perimeter, also here under the framing, these brackets. And we recessed the full bay of plywood right here. We cut out a hole for the waste outlet on the linear drain. And that way, this installation is completely solid. Right here, completely solid, because we are not cutting out a full length slot for the linear drain body. We are just cutting out a hole for the waste outlet. Extremely important, because that way we are not weakening the floor around the drain. Now this is not going to move, and we have a solid base for installing the linear drain at the entry. And this recess accounts for the depth of the linear drain body right here. And this way we can get it done correctly without failures. And as I said, this kit was specifically designed for linear drains being installed at the entry to a curbless shower. And if you have any questions about installations like that and this specific one, please give us a call or shoot us an email.